Welcome back to our comprehensive series on Knowledge Management Systems, KMS. In our previous sessions, we embarked on an exploratory journey into the world of knowledge management, KM, covering fundamental topics such as the introduction to knowledge management, understanding knowledge and its significance, and decoding knowledge management systems, components and strategic importance. If you haven't watched these videos yet, I highly encourage you to do so. They provide crucial foundational knowledge that will enhance your understanding of the material we are about to cover. You can find the previous lessons on our platform. Today, we are looking into Module 3, Designing and Implementing Knowledge Management Systems. This module is designed to provide you with the knowledge and tools necessary to assess organizational knowledge needs, strategize for KMS implementation, and overcome the challenges in KMS deployment. Let's get started. Every organization, regardless of its size or sector, operates on a wealth of knowledge. This knowledge, when managed effectively, can significantly enhance organizational efficiency, innovation, and competitiveness. However, before we can manage this knowledge, we must first understand the specific knowledge needs of the organization. This understanding is pivotal in designing a KMS strategy that not only aligns with, but also propels the organization towards its goals. The importance of assessing knowledge needs. The process of assessing knowledge needs serves several critical functions. Identifies gaps. It helps identify gaps between the current state of knowledge within the organization and where it needs to be for optimal performance. Aligns strategy. It ensures that the KMS strategy is directly aligned with the organization's objectives, enhancing its relevance and effectiveness. Guides technology selection. It informs the selection of technology and tools that are best suited to meet these specific needs. Engages stakeholders. It involves stakeholders in the process, fostering a sense of ownership and easing the adoption of the KMS. Steps in assessing organizational knowledge needs. Understand organizational objectives. Begin by clarifying the organization's overall goals and objectives. Determine how knowledge contributes to achieving these goals. 2. Conduct a knowledge audit. Perform a comprehensive review of existing knowledge assets and resources. Identify what knowledge is currently available, where it resides, and any significant gaps or redundancies. 3. Stakeholder analysis. Engage with various stakeholders across the organization to understand their knowledge needs, preferences, and challenges. Stakeholders include employees at all levels, management, customers, and partners. Tools and techniques for assessment. Surveys and questionnaires. Gather quantitative and qualitative data on knowledge needs and usage patterns. Interviews. Conduct in-depth discussions with key stakeholders to gain insights into specific knowledge needs and challenges. Focus groups. Facilitate group discussions to uncover diverse perspectives and collective insights. Document analysis. Review existing documents, reports, and databases to understand the current knowledge landscape. Following our deep dive into assessing organizational knowledge needs, we now turn our focus to the next critical phase in the journey of knowledge management systems, KMS implementation. Developing a robust strategy for implementation. This stage is where planning meets action. Crafting a strategic approach to KMS implementation is pivotal in ensuring that the system not only fits seamlessly into the organizational framework, but also effectively addresses the identified knowledge needs. Developing a KMS implementation strategy. 1. Define the vision and objectives for the KMS. Start with a clear vision of what the KMS aims to achieve within the organization. Outline specific objectives that are measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. 2. Select the appropriate KMS model. Decide on a KMS model that aligns with your organizational culture and the identified knowledge needs. This could range from centralized to decentralized models, or a hybrid approach. Consider factors such as ease of access, user-friendliness, and integration capabilities with existing systems. 3. Choose the right technology and tools. Evaluate different technology platforms and tools based on their functionality, scalability, security, and compatibility with existing systems. Consider open source versus proprietary solutions, cloud-based versus on-premise, and the availability of support and customization options. 4. Plan for change management. Develop a comprehensive change management plan to address potential resistance and ensure smooth adoption of the KMS. Include training programs, communication plans, and strategies to engage and motivate employees. Tools and techniques for effective implementation. Project management. Software. Utilize project management tools to keep track of progress, manage tasks, and communicate with the team. Collaboration platforms. Leverage collaboration platforms to involve stakeholders in the implementation process and gather feedback. Data analytics. Use data analytics tools to monitor usage patterns, measure the impact of the KMS, and identify areas for improvement. To the pivotal segment of our module on designing and implementing knowledge management systems. KMS. Overcoming challenges in KMS deployment. While the journey to implement a KMS is filled with potential and promise, it invariably encounters a myriad of challenges. From navigating technical complexities to addressing the human factors of change resistance, each obstacle requires strategic consideration and action. The implementation of a KMS can face challenges on multiple fronts. Recognizing these challenges early on is the first step towards mitigating their impact. Key challenges include technical issues, such as integration with existing systems, data migration, and ensuring system scalability and security. Organizational culture. Overcoming a culture that may resist sharing knowledge or adapting to new technologies. Change resistance. Employees might resist using the KMS due to fear of the unknown, lack of trust in new systems, or concerns about job security. Lack of engagement. Ensuring continuous engagement with the KMS, including regular contributions and utilization of the system. Training and support. Providing adequate training and support to all users to ensure effective use of the KMS. Strategies to overcome challenges. 1. Addressing technical issues. Preparation. Conduct thorough technical assessments and compatibility checks before implementation. Expertise. Leverage internal and external technical expertise for seamless integration and troubleshooting. Testing. Implement extensive testing phases, including pilot programs, to identify and resolve issues early. 2. Transforming organizational culture. Leadership support. Garner support from leadership to champion the change and model knowledge-sharing behaviors. Incentives. Create incentive programs to reward knowledge sharing and effective use of the KMS. Communication. Maintain open lines of communication to explain the benefits and address any concerns. 3. Managing change resistance. Engagement. Involve employees in the planning and implementation process to foster ownership and acceptance. Training. Offer comprehensive training sessions that are accessible and tailored to different learning styles. Support networks. Establish support networks or champions within the organization to advocate for and assist with the KMS. 4. Enhancing engagement with the KMS. User-friendly design. Ensure the KMS is intuitive and easy to use to encourage regular engagement. Relevant content. Populate the KMS with high-quality, relevant content from the outset. Feedback loops. Implement mechanisms for users to provide feedback on the system, which can guide continuous improvement. 5. Providing adequate training and support. Comprehensive training. Develop training programs that cover all aspects of the KMS, from basic navigation to advanced features. In conclusion, the path to a successful KMS implementation is multifaceted, requiring diligent assessment, strategic planning, and proactive problem-solving. By embracing these principles and staying committed to the journey of knowledge empowerment, organizations can unlock a wealth of benefits, from enhanced operational efficiency to a stronger competitive position. As we close this module, let us carry forward the insights and strategies discussed, applying them to create a knowledge management system that truly transforms and elevates our organizations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, the pursuit of effective knowledge management is an ongoing process of learning, adaptation, and growth. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and continue to share the invaluable asset of knowledge within your organization.